Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your wing mirror unit on this Vauxhall combo. And now our wing mirror unit. When we change today, as you can see, it's broken. First, what we're going to do is remove this cover. It should unclip like so. And we're going to need to get that star torque out. So we're going to need to take this door trim off, or door card. We're going to unplug this. Just push this little clip in. So for this one, we need a T20 to remove it. Go ahead and take it off now. Now, just get like a trim tool to take it off, like so. And just unclip it. And now we need a T30 star torque to remove that one there. Now once you've taken those off, all you need to do is get like a trim tool, for instance. As I can see, I've got quite a few different ones. Something like this to go behind there and do the clips off. If you haven't got that, you can literally just pull it, but you might need to get some new clips for it. So you're literally just gonna feed this on the back of it, like so. And you need to push forward. So what you're going to do is get your trim tool and put it behind the trim, and literally you can see clips around there, and literally just going to pull it towards you like so. I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's also another screw, as you can see at the bottom down there, that we need to remove. So once you've loosened all the clip, you literally just pull off and up like so. As you can see, now what we're trying to get to is basically the plug. This plug here we obviously have to take off. This is the reason why we have to take the cover off. Otherwise we'll just be able to take these screws off and remove the unit. Now literally gonna unplug this one here. Gonna need to push this clip out like so. Push that down, that should come off like that. Same way, pull this one out, push the clip down, comes out. As you can see, I'm going to need to unclip this as well from there. I've already got a new one, so literally I'm going to be keeping this mirror. I'll let it just pulls off. But you can also just use your trim tool just to slot behind it. Pop it off. And I'm going to go ahead and remove that bolt, and that bolt, and take the whole unit off. Now, just loosen those. Just make sure to hold the mirror unit when you're taking it off. Now, literally, one set off, you just pull. So you can see this clip's going to need to push down to remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and push that down, like so. And now pull the unit out, like that, as you can see. Now this is our new one that we're going to fit, but we're going to put the cover on there as well. The old cover back onto that one. So now I'll just get our new one, run the wires through, line it all up, like so. Once it clips in place, so it will literally just stay there like that. Now I can put my screws back in. Now I'm going to plug our plugs back in, but first let's clip this in place like so. Then go ahead and put this one back in there. And then that one, you can see now those are back in place, you can put the cover back on now. So we're going to go ahead and put the door card back on. So literally all you got to do now is line the cover back up, slot it on the top bit first up here, and then push it straight on. Make sure once that bit's on, literally just go around tapping them on like that. Then I'm going to go and put my screws back in there. Now all our screws are being fitted back on, including that one there and the one down there as well. So all we need to do now is basically get our little speaker, plug it back in. I'm going to go ahead and do that and clip this back in place. Now that's fitted back on. Obviously you've seen how I took it off, so literally the same way to put it back on. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this one back on now. As you can see, it's all on. Looks as good as new. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.